Hello guys, so welcome back to Retron channel on YouTube. Today I will running you through a very quick video on how you could set up a one press remote key on your smart key of the T03 Leapmotor. So far as we knew that the Leapmotor has designed multiple button function inside the key, and then down there you will notice the bottom one is the one key accessibility to three major function of your car. So let me go through the three major function that you can enable on your smart key. So the button itself can set up to these three function. Number one is a one key vehicle locating. So a one key vehicle locating will allow you to locate your car by pressing it once, by pressing the button on the smart key, and then it will start to flash the signal light both sides, with I think is also the rear as well, and then they will start to honk very hard, which allow you to hear it from a distance. Imagine if you are parking your car somewhere with a congested area, and then you literally cannot find your car just because your car is small and compact, and it might probably being blocked by the other car that you're unable to see from your naked eye or remember where it is. So you simply press that key on the car and it will start to honk, and then you will see that the flashlight on each car of the signal light of each car, include the rear, is also flashing as well. Alright, so that is number one. Number two, you will see that there's a one key window lowering. So one key window lowering, if you want to set this up, you press like that to set up to the key. Once you press this, it will lower all your window, all side of the window down. I don't know what the purpose, but from what I assume, it should be something related to emergency. So in case that you're having a very urgent or emergency, you press that one and the key, the window start to lower down, so that it will allow you to being help from somebody outside maybe. And yes, I think this should be the function that is set up for. This should be the purpose of this function. And then you will see that the number three is a one key air conditioning. So one key air conditioning, what it means is that when you park your car outside, for example, and you're going in for buying a coffee, and your car parking under a sunlight, at direct sunlight, which create heat inside the car, and then you want your car to be pre-cool before you get inside the car, right? And then once you press the key, if you have the settings set up, once you press the key, the car will begin to turn on the AC automatically. The AC compressor would begin to work, and it will start to pump cool air inside the car. So in order to set the function for this generic button, you will have to go into your car setting and set it manually. So let me walk you through how to do that. First of all, there's nothing to do with the key. There's nothing to be set up on the key. So just leave the key alone, and then you go to your car mini screen, and then you will see the vehicle sign right here. You press it, and then once you press it, it should land on the fast control page, and then you want to scroll it down until you see the word key setting. You press on key setting, and then you will see this setup with the remote control key, custom key. You can set up to one key vehicle locating, one key window lowering, or one key air conditioning. After setting up the function to the key, let's test out on each function that it go. So now I'm setting up for a one key vehicle locating, and when we press this, I will get out the car and press this, and we'll see how it actually perform. Okay, so right now I'm testing the function, right? Alright, so now let's set it up to the one key window lowering. So I'm gonna sit inside the car, and then I press this. You will see that you will start to notice that all the window will begin to lower down. So let's press it. Okay, so now let's demonstrate the one key air conditioning. So I already set the function to the car smart key, and now I think whenever I press this button, the engine should be the aircon will be starting right after that. So right now you can feel, you cannot feel, but of course the engine, there's no engine on, there's no AC turn on, But yeah, when I press this, it will begin to turn on. Let's start. Okay, now I press it already. We'll wait for a few seconds. Okay, I start to feel that the car is working, and it should be okay. Right now the aircon is blowing. Yeah? Let me show you with this one. Okay, right now the aircon is blowing. See? Right now it started to blow. Okay, so this is how a one key air conditioning work. This is a very useful one. If you're parking your car outside, it's under the heat, under the sunlight, and you want to pre-cool your car, simply just lock down your car first before you're getting out. Of course, you will have to lock down the car, and then before you arrive, just press that button, waiting for literally like 10 seconds or something, and the engine of the car, the power of the AC will begin. Here, so this is how you're setting up the key function. That it will cut the heat from the car as well. So this is a very useful key function. But just to clarify as well, that this function, the very last one key air conditioning, this will only work once you have completely locked down the car. So if you have your car AC turned off, but your car still on, and you press it, no matter how many times you try to press it, it will not work. It only works once you completely lock down the car, completely shut down the engine, power off for a few minutes, less than 5 minutes or something, and then you press it for just a very few seconds later, it will begin to restart the compressor, the AC engine, the compressor. It will start to pump in the cool air. So we're going to demonstrate all of this function later after this.